Hello friends, today we are going to see a problem called two sum. So let us go through the description. Given an array of integers nums and an integer target, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to the target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution and you may not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order. Let us go through the example. The input nums array is 2, 7, 11, 15 and the target is 9. And the output is 0th index, that is 2, and first index, that is 7. Because nums of 0, nums of 1 equal to 9. So let us go through this, how to solve this problem. We can use two array by looping first array and looping the second array and comparing the number. That is inefficient because the big O notation is n square. Let us do an optimistic way. Let us define a map integer num1 equal to new hash map. For I equal to 0, I is lesser than nums dot length I plus plus, and now let us see int complement equal to target minus nums are I. Now we know two numbers, one is target and one is the array list, the numbers in the array. If we subtract from target to the array num, then we will get an answer. So we will check if that complement is available in the map, then we can return the results. If num map get contains key of complement, then return new of num map dot get complement and the num array. Else what we can do is num map not put nums of I and its index. If you go through this, if the target is matching the two numbers in the array, then it will return the results. Else so in this way we are not iterating the arrays in two different times, we just iterate the arrays in one time. So let us run this code and see what is results. Alright, we got that expected output. Let me submit this solution. Yeah, we got that 1 minute faster and 99.95 on Java online submission for 2 submits. Memory usage is also there. And this is how we have to solve the two sum solution. Thank you.